What's good, YouTube? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seen this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya, the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first things first, I'm just giving you guys a rundown of what is in my makeup bag. Disclaimer, I will not be saying like how much I bought the stuff for because I honestly don't remember. I've had makeup in this thing for like 3 years, 4 years, 5 years now. How am I supposed to remember how much I bought those stuff for? Also, I don't remember where I got some of the products from. But the products that I do remember, I'm going to put the links of the Instagram pages down below in my description box. To be honest, this is going to be a short video because I really don't have a lot of makeup stuff. But I'm getting there, sis. I'm getting there. So what are we working with? Oh yeah, my makeup kit got a little mirror. I don't use this. I really don't use this. But this is what we're working with. Oh, I am not a organizer freak. I just really like knowing where my stuff are because I'm not really a makeup guru, guys. I still have the paper that comes with the makeup brush that tells you what the different brushes are used for. I literally use those every time I'm doing my makeup. So I'm still in training, so I just really like putting stuff in Ziploc bags so they don't get like lost, or I don't have to be doing a lot of searching for anything when I'm doing my makeup, simply because I know where I put certain stuff. So yeah, so the first item that we have is this Max Milk of Magnesia. I got this from a local pharmacy. I use this as a face primer, so you can get this in a local pharmacy. The next thing that I have is this LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Rich Cocoa. This is the foundation that I'm currently using. I like it. It's not much of a love, but I really like it. I give this a steady 7. I bought this in a local drugstore. The next item I have is this e.l.f. setting spray. I bought this in the same local drugstore as well. I really like it. It gives my makeup like this dewy look. So yeah. Next thing is, this is actually, my mom gave this container to me. Then I just added coconut oil inside of it, and I just use this as a makeup remover. Yeah, I use coconut oil as a makeup remover. I am going to do a video for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Next thing is this AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder in the shade Banana. If I can remember specifically, I did not buy this. I got this from a friend. So I'd have to ask her where she bought this. But yeah, this is my current setting powder. I like it. It's not a love, I like it. And this is what I'm working with right now. So yeah. The next thing I got is this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and it is in the shade Molten Gold. I bought this in a local drugstore. This is the goat. This is the goat. That's it. The next thing I got is this Maybelline the Nudes palette. I got this from my cousin. I miss you, girl. What's funny is I only use 2 shades from this palette, which is this bronzy one here and that goldish looking one. Let me see. Come on, girl. Oh. So I really only use this one and that one. And I mostly use those colors like when I'm doing a smoky eye look. Yeah. The next item I have is this Beauty Glazed Pressed Glitter. I bought this off of Instagram. I'm going to put the link to the store in my description box so you can go and check it out. The next item I have is this Take Me Back to Brazil 35 color pigmented eyeshadow palette. I bought this off of Instagram, so I'm going to be... Ooh. Come on, girl. I'm going to be putting the name of the store in the description box so you can go and check it out. The next item I have is my makeup brushes. And yeah, this is the manual I was telling you guys, the little booklet that gives me the instructions of what the different brushes are used for. I did not lie. But yeah, I bought these brushes off of Instagram. I do remember the page, so I'm going to put the link of the page in my description box so you can go and check it out. The next item I have, my lippies. I have like these lippies right now. I had a lot more, but I have some in my working bags. I have some in some other bags. I'm looking at 2. Well, those are like Vaseline and stuff that I use for my lips, but let me show y'all. These should have been in my makeup bag. But hey, this is the GOAT. This is the GOAT. Period. I bought this lippy in a local beauty store. This one is a Victoria's Secret lippy. This one I bought it off of Instagram. I'm going to put the link of that page in the description box. This one I bought it from a co-worker. This one I bought it in a local drugstore. So yeah. But the next thing I have, my beauty blenders. I kid you not, they're not dirty. It's just that I just did my face with them, so of course when they're in the bag it's going to look like this. I have 3 beauty blenders. I use this one to like highlight my face. I use this one to apply the setting powder. I use this one for my foundation and to like contour. Also, I got this one from a local drugstore, and I got these 2 from an Instagram store. I'm going to put the link of that in my description box. The next thing I have is just this little pocket with hair glue that I use for my eyelashes, tweezer for my eyelashes as well, and this razor thingy that I use to clean up my brows. I don't know how to shape my brows, guys, so I say clean up because I basically just go around the shape of my brows. That's it. And I got everything in here from a local drugstore. The next thing I got are my lashes, my lashes, my lashes. this lash, I bought it from an Instagram store. I'm going to put the link in my description box. This one I got them from local drugstore, and this one in the back I got it from a friend. The last thing I got is this little sack here. I have concealers in it. I get these concealers from like my local drugstore. I have the brow pomade in here. I bought it off of Instagram. I'm going to put the link to the Instagram store in my description box. I got this glitter eyeliner from a local drugstore. This elf liner, I got it from, I don't remember. These pencils, I bought them in local drugstore. So, is that it? Yep, that's pretty much it. Oh, and yeah, this one is a pomade, one is a brow pomade, and one is a eyeliner. But I use this eyeliner when I'm doing makeup that has glitter, because you know that glitter usually overrides everything. So this little eyeliner that I have, it doesn't really work well when I do a light glitter look. I rather use this pomade looking one because it pops more and it is even more defined. I bought this from an Instagram store, the same Instagram store that I bought the pomade from. I'm going to put the link in my description box. So that is it, guys. As I said, I don't have a lot of makeup, but I'm getting there, sis. Don't you dare worry. Next year, God's willing, your girl is about to have like a truckload of Fenty this, Fenty that, stacks and stacks of Fenty, period. But yeah, that is it from me in this short little video. As I said, it was basically just a rundown to show you guys what I have or what I'm working with in my makeup kit, so you know the vibe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for the continuous support. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive feedbacks. Also follow me on all my socials at AYA FARRR. That is IFR 3 R's. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.